time for some more Animal Crossing. We got Beardo chilling on the camp. I saw some cherry blossoms. It is now April. It's spring. Time to do the bunny event. Don't forget Bunny Day! It's just a few hops away. I guess that means we can expect a change in the weather. Why is it that as soon as we get used to one season, the next one is already upon us? I'm fine. Winter was enough. It was here too long. We have a new friend on the island. Yep, Pango! Okay, let's see what's up. Oh, you get 1,000 for someone moving in a spot you put? Ooh, that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm curious what I can do today. Egg! I found an egg! Hold up. Does that mean I should check, like, every tree? Oh, so I noticed in the trailer, like, there was eggs on trees, like, where the fruits are. Can I bury this egg, like, where the money tree thing is? So I'm gonna go visit. Ladder. I can't wait for this bridge to be built. I don't even know how my villagers are getting up here to help pay, because I have no bridges. Also, I'm gonna have to move those 2 flowers. They're exactly where the ramp's gonna be. I keep calling it a bridge. It's not a bridge. You know what? Let's do the big bucks. I haven't done it yet. No! I thought it was a put away. Dang it! Can I say I love how they change the clothes every day in that window? Look at the bunny stuff! Okay, so we got some track outfits, a tailcoat. Tailcoat. Coat, not goat. It's kind of cute. Nah, not a fan of the track stuff. Not really a fan of this patchwork skirt either. No, take it off. These are kind of cute. Desert outfits. Okay. Oh, we got more hats than yesterday. Zen hair clips. What makes them so zen? I need a little hat though. Oh, this is my silk hat. Just it's not yellow and brown. And also, it's not curved on top. Bun! What color bunny do I want to be? I'm kind of feeling the pink. Oh, can I say I love how you can have glasses and like an accessory that's not on the eyes at the same time? Big improvement. Really like. Do I want to be a desert bunny? I do have one of these. I love how it goes directly to your storage. No! We gotta talk to Sable. I don't know what it does in this game, but I gotta talk to her. Need something? Please talk to the other hedgehog. No! Hey, Mabes, can you help this customer, please? Aww. I wanna talk to you! She's my favorite. What's that? Right. Oh. Just a leaf floating by. What are you doing all the way up here? Why, hippity skippity, hoppity ho, now that you found me, I'll say a warm hello. I'm a lucky old bunny, peppy yipper, and here's a little tip, you can call me Zipper. Yay! You can clap now. No, really, go on. Well, isn't this swell? Here you are, and here I am to tell you all about my favorite holiday. I know what you're thinking, no, this is not a costume. And don't you go snooping, got it? Wait, how does it blink? Zippity zap, enough of that. It's almost bunny day! Hop hop hooray. That's my favorite time to come out and play. We've got so much prep work to do. I hope you can keep yourself busy. And guess what? This funny bunny has a bunny day secret just for you. Ready? Yippity skippity, here it is. The time has come. Let's look for eggs. That's my bunny plan. They're here, they're there, they're everywhere. Find them if you can. Did I make myself clear? Yes, no, maybe so. Well, how about this? There are 6 types of eggs hidden around the island. So Wonderful you can go look for them and then bring them back to Wonderful me. These eggs aren't hidden inside buildings. No siree. My eggs can only be found in the great outdoors. Check the trees, check the rocks, check the water too. Oh my god, you could fish them out. Search the sky, search the ground. That's what you should do. And here's a little something I made for you too. Ooh. There's a recipe for a bunny day bed. You can craft it with the eggs you find. And now, a big announcement. I hope you like this. I've hidden bunny day themed DIY recipes all around the island? What? The closer we get to bunny day, the more recipes I'll hide. If you find and craft all the DIY recipes I've hidden, why, you'll get a super de-dopery present from me. Zippity skippity hoppity hey, it's gonna be the wonderful, wonderfulest bunny day. Okay! I gotta do that. I guess I'm starting now. I'm kinda glad he told me, like, right there. Oh, we gotta check though. Zipper? Yep, Zipper's still there. Bunny Day is April 12th. I promise to bounce right on back to this island that wonderful, fundable day. In the meantime, Skipper, don't tell anyone you ran into old Zipper? Is that why you're all the way out here by yourself? So this almost feels like a pocket camp event in which you collect the items and then you craft stuff with them. So I wonder if that's why you always need an update for the seasonal events. It's because they're adding new DIY recipes. And honestly, that's kind of cool. It'll keep the game fresh, but I wonder how long they're gonna support it. Did New Leaf get that big update 4 or 6 years into its life? I'm kind of expecting that kind of support for this game then. Because this is definitely not a game you get every year or two. And you can't catch it! I was just bad! What do I do with it though? I'm gonna check all the trees up here, and then I'm gonna leave the ones down there for later. Too many trees. I hope he doesn't mean that, like, they're on trees where you can see the eggs. You know what? That's probably what he means. It's got an Easter balloon! No! What the? Oh my god, I'm so bad today. No! My slingshot! Sky egg. Okay, so they're... Wait, what was my other one called then? A rock egg? Stone egg. And they actually have like a pattern of where you got it. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, the bed is just a basket of eggs. So you get earth, stone, leaf, wood. Wait, you get them from chopping trees? Sky and water. Oh, I'm missing from the ground, from a tree, from chopping a tree. And this over here is an earth egg. I was right. I really don't want to chop trees down just for eggs. Oh, the trunks actually change color too now. When they're cherry blossoms. They're darker. Oh, yeah. I want to talk to Egbert, but look. You will see the eggs. 3! 4! Oh my goodness. So lucky. We still need a water egg. Wait, we get another sky egg. Oh my god, 2 of them? So we just need wood and water. So I have leaf ones. Oh, hello, Maple. I'd love to give a noble zap suit. I'm not really a fan of those, but I'll take it. a tiny cute. Not my style. Would the small ones be the eggs? That's a rock! Oh my god, why is there no fish? Okay, you have to be a fish. There's no way that's an egg. Yeah. Oh! Bunny Day fence! We got another thing to make. Hango, your house, adorable on the outside. Hello! Ooh. This place has such great vibes. I'm so glad I moved. I can tell it's where the universe wants me to be, you know? I bet some of those good things are even going to happen to folks who aren't around me. Come visit once again. You're kind of cool! I feel the anteaters are underrated. And here should be Pom Pom. Yeah. So we gotta check out Bunny Fence. Oh, I'm not a fan. Oh, it's behind me. Oh. There we go. How do you get a wood egg? Dang it! Oh! It worked. Okay. So that means I just have to fish now. Go away. You are the pits. Okay, I'm not going for another sky egg. I hear it. I have enough right now. Nope. I'm catching a whole bunch of good fish, but that's not what I'm looking for. You're small. Like, kind of egg-shaped. Nope. How do you even plan it so that they would act like fish? Swim like fish. Oh my god. It's an egg fish. So we make one. That's good. Oh shoot, I'm an idiot. I should go for the balloons. What are there more recipes? You're too big, Beardo. Egbert, stop Naruto running on the beach. What are you doing? Are you out for a walk? Yes. Perfect size. Too big to see across, but too small for a sea monster to... Why would you think that? I want to think about sea monsters. I have a question. They say this thing is a shark tooth pattern, but I thought this was a shell pattern. How is that a shark tooth pattern? So I guess we can craft them now. It might be cute to decorate, like not my house, but decorate around just for the spirit of Easter. Or sorry, Bunny Day. Okay, let's see what he says. Where'd he go? Did he really disappear? Dang it! I gotta wait for Bunny Day then. Oh, here he is. Okay, so he doesn't actually care. I guess he'll just reward me the day of. There, I figured we need a bunny outfit. I lived in Starvale before it was- You moved like 2 days ago! Whoa, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? No! I went the wrong way. Remind me of an Agrius, but I don't think it was. Oh, hey, Apple. How are you today, rival? I asked you. She's practicing striking a pose. Can you teach me? It's an important life skill. Never know when you might need a oh, dragonfly. Yes! Caught a darner. Better watch the smell. What'd you want? Oh, I missed it. Dang it. I didn't know which was more important. Talking to Maple or catching it. Oh, I could have caught another dragonfly though. I feel bad now. See how Rudy's doing. Maybe he's crafting something. And I can take the recipe from him. Oh! Wow. That's what's happening. A stacked wood wall. Sure, I want to see that. I wonder if, like, is it just logged pieces? Thank you, Rudy. That's why you visit your neighbors. Sorry. Ugh. Yep. That's definitely a flea. Having fleas pretty bad, but on the bright side, now I know I'm not allergic to these rad clothes. Oh my god. She was itchy from it. Oh my god. I love how they were like, this game's full of animals, so we're gonna give them fleas. I can go all kinds of places now that I got away over the cliffs. Yeah, they keep saying that, but I don't actually have a ramp that goes up to the cliffs for them. I also don't have a bridge for them to get on that side. So like, I have no idea what Egbert's talking about. Oh wait, does Isabel tell me how well my island is going? I should have expected that. You want a perfect island. 2 stars. There's some positive buzz. Allow me to read an excerpt. Yes, please. It's a place I've been quietly watching. It's a secret to everybody. There's a Zelda reference. It's a secret to everybody. I don't want it to be famous. But that doesn't help. You received this from the same pulley. Oh. Well, I'm happy to hear they enjoy themselves. We need more residents to get some word of mouth going. Okay, so we just need more people? Yeah. Dang it! Why is this guy so fast? No! Stop! Haha! Okay, that one wasn't as hard. Oh my god, is that a normal balloon? Oh no, I'm too full. Oh, another upright locker? Anyways, something different. We're gonna stop it here on the beach. And I want to thank you guys for watching. I think this Easter event's gonna be fun to do. So I'm gonna be kind of glad to be sharing with you guys. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day. And bye-bye.